There is Manny himself living every second of it.
B.Pacquiao wants to fight. Hernandez is making his point. Oh, he's gonna punch!
Taong 2001, nilabanan ni Floyd Mayweather ang kapwa undefeated na si Carlos Hernandez para sa pagdipinsa niya sa kanyang WBC Super Featherweight title. Nanalo si Mayweather via unanimous decision, pero dito naman niya naranasan na mabilangan. Natikman ang pinakauna at nag-iisang knockdown sa kanyang buong karera sa round 6 ng kanilang laban. Apat na taon ang lumipas, October 2005, nakaharap naman ni Carlos Hernandez ang kapatid ng ating pambansang kamao na si Bobby "The Sniper" Pacquiao sa isang 10 rounds na laban ginawa sa Las Vegas sa Amerika. Bago ang laban ni Bobby Pacquiao kay Hernandez, ay tinalo niya via KO sa kaparehong taon si Carlos Navarro, ang boksidor na tumalo na din kay Mayweather sa amateur. 27 wins with 11 losses, 3 draws si Bobby Pacquiao, habang 41 wins, 5 losses, 1 draw si Carlos Hernandez. Kaya naman sa pustahan ay talagang dihado itong si The Sniper, pero kahit may magandang kartada, mas veterano at mas malakas din itong si Hernandez, ay walang takot na sinabayan ni Bobby Pacquiao ang lakas nito sa ibabaw ng lona. Isang matinding bakbakan ang pinamalas ng dalawa, pero nanaig ang tibay at lakas ng Pinoy sa laban. Pinabagsak pa sa round 2 ang boksidor na nagpabagsak kay Mayweather noon. At tinapos ang laban sa sukdulang 10 rounds via split decision pabor kay Bobby Pacquiao. Marami ang pumalakpak sa naging hatol ng mga hurado, pero tila mas madami din ang di pabor dito. Sabay nating balikan ang highlights ng labang Bobby Pacquiao alias The Sniper kontra Carlos Hernandez alias El Famoso. Ating tignan kung tama lang ba ang naging resulta sa laban nila. Unang round pa lang, matinding aksyon na agad ang kanilang pinamalas. Tila gustong tapusin agad ang laban ng maaga. Nagpapalitan ng mga mabibigat nilang mga kombinasyon.
Quite straight lines and Pacquiao just boxing him, picking him up and moving away again to the side.
Latest, the southpaw jab is giving him problems. Getting into range is giving him problems. I mean, the only good thing for Hernandez in this round, he's made Pacquiao work for every second of it. We know how tough Hernandez is. We expect he'll be there at the end. So maybe that's
Last few seconds of the round, but it's been Pacquiao's round. He's looked impressive. He'll have to stay on the move. The danger would be that body punches might slow him up as he goes on. And remember the extra grit and experience of Hernandez. Pacquiao starting very well.
Hernandez did manage to get himself into the action in the last.
Second round, mas agresibo na dito si Carlos Hernandez. Mas umaabanti sa laban habang umaatras, pero kumakaunter naman si The Sniper.
That Hernandez's strength could be a problem the longer this goes, but he's picking them nicely, but he's still being forced to work.
This man's lived in the shadow of his far more famous brother, he's Beck.
I just feel that so many stoppage defeats on Pacquiao.
To wear him down. He's been around this business a long time. What a great right uppercut that was though from Pacquiao, who's got very fast hands.
Sa huling minuto ng round 2, nawala ang depensa ng kalaban dahil sa sobrang pagka-agresibo. Dito nasalo niya ang malahalimaw na left hook ni Bobby Pacquiao na nagpabagsak sa kanya.
And Pacquiao is finding here.
This is not the way Pacquiao wants to fight. Hernandez is making his point. Oh, he's gonna punch!
Left hand from Pacquiao, touchdown by Hernandez, and he'll have to take a count. That hasn't happened very often. A very long 8 count, I thought, from Toby Gibson, and the bell came in.
Don't think it'll have any bearing, but I'll put a nice 10-8 round on Pacquiao's card. Actually, I think he stood on his toe as well there. I wonder if we'll get a chance to see that again. I get a feeling, yep, no question it was a knockdown. No.
Tuloy ang laban sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds. Patuloy sa palitan ng mga kombinasyon. Mas agresibo pa din dito si Hernandez. Mas sumusugod, pero di naman nagpapalugi ng suntok itong si Bobby Pacquiao.
An only instinct kept him there. there on his feet. Goodness me.
Confidence he needs that he can hurt this fellow. That was some burst of punching.
He's getting busted up of a sensational upset win, and that's a wonderful right uppercut. And again. Goodness me.
Round. We still had half the round to go. Hernandez bleeding now from the nose. Can he turn this around again?
He's just tarring and takes a right hand, and then a left hook as well from Hernandez. I tell you what, the big fights on this bill are going to have to go some to match this. And now it's Pacquiao in trouble from 2 right hands, 3 right hands, and a body punch. What a comeback from Hernandez. Grandstand stuff here.
The business. This is unbelievable.
Sensational fight you're watching here. Hernandez on the brink of defeat, it seems, has come back. Almost Corrales style to dominate the round. Very strongly in the last minute of the round, but he was on the brink of defeat in the early part of it. Pacquiao's been the man who's been often stopped in the past. Oh, wow! Remember the former IBF super featherweight champion Carlos Hernandez.
The experience of having done this so often in the past. I mean, the punches he took from Eric Mar.
Taken control here in the 4th. Body shot was a good one. Left.
Hernandez beginning to bully Pacquiao a little bit now. We in yesterday, but there's nothing wrong with his condition. This is a real pace.
He came in 2 pounds over the super featherweight.
Round 5, walang humpay na palitan ng suntok pa rin ang pinakita ng dalawa. Parehong matibay, nakatayo pa rin kahit ilang mga kamao na ang pinaghilamos ng dalawa. Isang malupit na bakbakan talaga ang nasaksihan ng mga nanonood ng live sa arena.
Discouraging Hernandez, they're keeping him away. Some scrappy work in this round, but that's to be expected. They've both used up an awful lot of steam.
I think enough maybe to come back and nick this one, although it's a good 6th round. Black trunks, the former world champion Carlos Hernandez, and a fast start here. 10-8 round for Pacquiao, we think, in the 2nd with that knockdown, and in the 2nd of Hernandez's career. Might that be a factor?
Yeah, I think going down the stretch could be a big problem for Pacquiao. Hernandez has done it.
Ferociously committed as ever, Hernandez. This is a tough one.
Well, I've never seen him in anything else, Ian. Every fight for Hernandez is the same. He makes them that way.
Round 7, pansin na dito na dahan-dahan nang nauubos ang kargada sa bodega ni Bobby Pacquiao. Bagamat bumabato pa din ito ng mga suntok, ay napapadalas na ang yakap at pagtulak nito sa kalaban. Habang itong si Carlos Hernandez ay patuloy lang sa pag-abante at pagiging agresibo sa laban.
We're going to find out pretty soon.
But I think he's shown he can mix it at this level. See,
this is one tough and close fight, I would suggest. Hernandez post. And Pacquiao hurt by one of those as well. Rather stumbled into the ropes, just fighting on instinct for a moment. Hernandez looking in control and nails it with 2 more.
These are sharp little short punches up close from Hernandez, digging them in. Again, looking much stronger than Pacquiao as he was in the early rounds. Taking the time now to find the space to use the southpaw jab, just staying right on top of him. Imposing himself again as he was a couple of rounds ago.
Defense has improved. He's parrying a few, blocking a few, slipping a few, and finding better punches of his own. Just showing that he is maybe the superior.
Pacquiao making a lot of mistakes. His defences are deserting him. But he's taking Hernandez's punches and taking them well.
But it was a big...
Makikitang nanood si Manny Pacquiao sa laban at nagbigay pa ito ng instruksyon sa kanyang kapatid. Nagpakita ng suporta.
There is Manny himself living every second of it. The world's top 5 or 6 in this division, Barrera, pretty much the boss of it. I suppose Morales is still a super featherweight. He lost, of course, in a shock. He's needed his resilience. Short little hooks from Hernandez have been quite eye-catching. Pacquiao had an early lead and Hernandez did need to come back. And they had that knockdown round as well, and he certainly won the first. Tight call, maybe. Pacquiao backed up. He started the round quite quickly, but Hernandez has just clawed it back again as he's
Hernandez, but he has no choice.
Flipped around the ear, literally with a right hand from Hernandez. Pacquiao with a surprise right hand right at the start there.
Looking for Pacquiao a lot of the time, but he's usually found him. Excellent world class, and keep in mind he may still be winning this.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm leaning towards Hernandez in the last few rounds because he's looked at the bit.
Quite the snap there was early on.
And I don't think they're finding the target the way they were earlier.
Hard still. Back he comes again. Pacquiao, there's a lovely...
That bit more in the driving seat.
Fast-paced, intense fight, and the crowd here are loving it.
Umabot sa sukdulang 10 rounds ang palitan nila ng mga suntok. Walang gustong magpatalo. Kaya tila ubusan ng lakas ang ginawa ng dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona.
And his ability to dig in that little bit deeper. I've leaned towards him in the last 3 rounds or so.
It seemed to be the theme, didn't it? Just give him both barrels, and he did there with that.
On the cards, to not coasting now.
Pacquiao looking to keep up the work rate, and I think in this round so far, I'd say he dealt magnificent action. Right hand from Hernandez. He's had a good last half minute again, but how do you score this? I tell you what.
Natapos ang laban na talagang ubusan ng lakas. Walang humpay na suntukan ang kanilang pinamalas. Sobrang dikit ng laban. At ang resulta ay panalo si Pacquiao via split decision. Pero marami ang nagbu nung sinabi na ang resulta. Tila di pabor ang mga nanonood ng live sa naging hatol. Pati si Hernandez ay parang napaiyak na lang. Tila di makapaniwala. Sa tingin mo pre, sakto lang ba ang resulta?